Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to set a password for your phone. Passwords are good because they help you protect your privacy. Let's get started. Go through your phone and search for the Settings app. If you found it, then press on it. Next you will have to scroll up and search where it's written security and press on it. You should see 3 types of passwords. Whether you want a screen or fingerprint or even face password, it will entirely depend on you. Let's take for the screen password. Once you press on it, you should see other password and you will choose the one you want. Let's take for the PIN. Here you will just follow what they will be telling you in order to set a PIN password into your phone. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.